Press the exit button on your remote to close or get out of the running app completely. If your Samsung TV remote doesn't have the exit button, then press the back button on your remote to close the app. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Go to Settings. Now select the Support option. Select Software Update. Select Update now to update your Samsung Smart TV. On your Samsung TV, go to the Settings menu. Select General or Network depending on your TV model. Choose Network Status or Internet Status. Check if your TV is connected to a network and if the connection is stable. If not, try connecting your TV to a different network. On your Samsung TV, go to the Settings menu. Select Support or System Software Update. Look for the software version or firmware version. If your firmware version is not up to date, visit the Samsung website to download the latest firmware version. Follow the instructions to update the firmware using a USB drive. Restart your router or modem by unplugging it from the power source for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Check if the issue with the software update not being available has been resolved. Visit the Samsung website to find the contact information for your region. Explain the issue with the software update not being available on your TV. Provide the model number and any other relevant information about your TV. The Samsung support team will assist you in resolving the issue. Note, before attempting any of these steps, make sure to check the model number of your Samsung TV to ensure that you are using the correct update method.